I think if you're a fresh MBA graduate, the number one thing that recruiters look for is academics. Academic excellence is something that everybody looks for, and the reason for that is that a lot of work that you do in the corporate world is things that you don't like. And even alums that are recruiting from your college know that probably the particular field, the academic curriculum is not what's very relevant to the job, but they want to know that how well you did in things that you didn't like. It's not that every day at work is a delight. Every day at work are things that you would love to do. So every company wants to hire people who excel at things that they didn't like. So academic excellence shows that discipline and dedication to achieve goals. That's why every company focuses on that, while students keep complaining that academics are not relevant. Why are we even looking at that? It's very, very important to understand the perspective from the other side of the thing. Now, but the fact is, if you've already screwed up your academics, what do? The next obvious step is that you try to incorporate certain practical skills that show that you're good at communicating and managing people. That can come either through a host of positions of responsibilities that you've held through college that showed that you managed people, led teams, reached out to alums and corporates to understand how people management and team management works. Or you could have won a lot of extracurricular competitions, team sports, team case competitions that show that you are a team player. Because every company knows that the most important skill that they need is people skills. So after academic, the next obvious skill that you need to have is practical experience in terms of people management. So you can, if let's say you don't have positions of responsibility, don't have extracurricular activities, you can even try out your hands on certain NGOs, the likes of Rotary, Toastmasters, and a lot of small NGOs that give you opportunities to practice your people management skills. So that when you're sitting in an interview or your CV goes to the recruiter, they can see that you've managed some people, have had some experience of dealing with people who do not agree with you. And that's very, very important. The third, I would say, is, of course, as I mentioned previously, also some technical experience, right? Whenever you're going for any particular field, let's say if you're going for a finance job, the recruiters want to see that do you have basics of finance clear in your head? So if you have a CFA L1, CFA L2 clear, or a FRM, or even NCFM certifications, or some finance courses done outside of your academic curriculum, that shows that you have tried to achieve some level of basic proficiency in the domain. It could be the same in terms of marketing, some courses, some certifications, some other external examinations that give you that extra validation and the extra edge to distinguish your CV from the whole lot of your batch.